Carrie Geren Scoggins Political Newsletter, Bible Prophecy Times Edition Update. Earthquakes still in the news. We've had Swarm 5 and Swarm 6 listed upon your screen. We had 486 earthquakes in less than 1 month, then 35 volcanoes. Swarm 5 hits, then Swarm 6 of earthquakes hit. We had Swarm 1 in the fall of 2013, Swarm 2 on October 24th of 2013, Swarm 3 on November 3rd of 2013. Then Swarm 4 came on November 18th of 2013. We are having more earthquakes than ever before across the globe. Matthew 24:6-8, for all these things must come to pass, but the end is not yet. For nation shall rise against nation, and kingdom against kingdom, and there shall be famines and pestilences, and earthquakes in diverse places. All these things are the beginnings of sorrows. We know this is the beginning of the end times prophecy. This has been another edition of Carrie Geren Scoggins Political Newsletter, Bible Prophecy Times Edition Update. Look for more information. Carrie Geren Scoggins Political Newsletter and Carrie Geren Scoggins Political Newsletter, Bible Prophecy Times Edition, Facebook pages and bloggers.